चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. So today we will hear Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, chapter 47, text 18. Jat anucharita lila karna piyusha viprot sakrit adana viduta danda dharma vinashtaha sapadi griha kutumbam dinam utsrujya dina bhavaya vyanga bhikkhucharam charanti. So in the last verse it is stated that Sanatana Goswami says, Tasya Nishturata King Bachya. In the last verse, Radharani says how he has been cruel in his previous births, how when he was Ramchandra, when he was Vamanam, he was so much cruel. And not only that, in this verse it is said that Tasya Nishturata King Bachya, what is to be told about his cruelty? The charita lavamapi je kechit sakrudapi suswas tepi nishtura syu ityaha. Even if somebody, the charita lavamapi, very small fraction of his pastimes, if someone hears sakrudapi once only, then tepi nishtura syu, he also becomes cruel like him, Nishtura. So, Jat Anucharitam Lila, his pastimes is like nectar for the ears. Karna Piyusha Viprut. One drop of his pastimes. The pastimes is like juice. Rasa, that is juice. One drop of that juice of pastimes is like nectar for the ears. Sakrit adana viduta dvanda dharma vinistha. Even if once he hears, then his dvanda dharma, this material world is called a duality, it is full of duality. This is the duality dharma, and that is lost, that is destroyed. Dvanda dharma vinistha. And sapadi griha kutumbam dina utsrita dina. And immediately he leaves his family. Dina kutumbam, griha kutumba, his home, his near and dear ones. He immediately gives up all of them. And bahava iha vihanga bhikkhu charam charanti. Not only one or two, Vishwanath Gupta says, not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, but thousands, hundreds and thousands of people, they come to Vrindavan and they are also, they live by begging. This is the result of the hearing the pastimes of that person, that cruel person. Just like Krishna is so much cruel, similarly those who hear about his pastimes, they become also cruel like him. Though they were very soft-hearted, right, previously, but they become hard-hearted. And not only hard-hearted, they become ungrateful. Various acharyas, they have said like that. Just like Sanatana Goswami says, Karna Piyusha Shabdatah Karna Sukhapadam. That word itself is like nectar for the ears. Nantu arthatu, and what to speak of if someone understands the meaning, just only this shabda, that sound itself is like nectar. And what to speak of its meaning? Kanasukha, natu arthato manaprutikaram ityadi. Tasyapi viprut, natu bahulyam. Only drop of that juice of pastimes of the Lord. Only drop, viprut, not to bahulyam, not much of that juice. Tasyapi sakrut, and that too only once, not many times. Adana, katanchit, adana means by hearing, or that releasing, katanchit, kinchit, somehow or other, Kathachit Kinchit, Grahanam Tenavi Visheshana Bhuta. He is cleared of all his dualities. Dvandva Dharma means Mithunachara, Khadana Panadi Raga, just like Ahar Nidra Bhai eating, sleeping and defending like that. This is Dvandva Dharma. Sai Tatha Bhuta, yes, Sarva Samruddhi Yukta Vrindavan, they give up all their family attraction or attachment and they come to this place here in Vrindavan. So this is the here it is said that it is Abhijalpa. This is transcendental madness, that is Abhijalpa. So particularly I will say that Vishwanath Chakravarti says that this Krishna wants that all should suffer, just like gopis are suffering. Similarly, all the human society should suffer. It is actually, it is said ironically or in disguise. It is the praise of the Lord, but in an indirect way. Just like Vishwanath Chakravarti says that Lord has ordered Vyasa and others to create this net, jala. Sadhuvesa channa mahaghatakatvam. The sadhus, they are like they will kill their happiness like that. Channa mahaghatakatvam. Purana pustakasya jalatvam. Purana pustak like Srimad Bhagavatam and other transcendental literature, that is like jala, net. Ateva te banat banam brahmanto. So they travel from one forest to another. Banat banam. So kakhya guhita pustaka. They keep their pustaka, that literature, Purana, Vedic literature in their kakha means in their soil. And eva dishyante Vyasadinam jala nirmattvanta. Vyasa and Narada, they create this jala, they create this jala, a net. Krishnasya Parameswaratyana, Krishna orders them, you create this net, and tada dushtatum etad arthameva Krishnena na Parameswaratva. So they will catch that net, they will catch the persons, they are living happily in their family life, but they will take away those persons, and they will suffer enormously in this net, new net. Actually, it is a praise of the Lord. It is a praise of the Lord that Puranas are net. Puranas are net like that. When one hears his materialistic life, it comes to an end. So actually it is stated in Ujjwala Nilamani that when a lover indirectly states with remorse that her beloved is fit to be given up because he is so cruel that he tortures even the innocent birds, such speech is called Abhijalpa. So this is Abhijalpa. In this way, Radharani indirectly praises Lord Krishna. So we will conclude here. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.